Remember that movie City Slickers with Billy Crystal? That character Curly? He says, Billy, what's that number one thing in life that makes you happy? You got to find that out. I've been asking myself that for 12 years in Doc Dogs. Why do I keep coming back every year? There's one reason. That number one thing is it the camaraderie with the people? Is it the dog town, the great times in the dog town? Those are all great, but the number one thing is the dogs. It's what do I need to do to make the dogs perform? In Doc Dogs, you have a limited stage to perform. You got about a 5 second run. You got to get them to do everything they can in that 5 seconds. Traditional training doesn't work all the time, so you got to get inside the dog's head. It's the challenge. Many great experiences I've had, ESPN Great Outdoor Games, recent experience with Remy, my world champion, a lot of fun, but it always comes down to what do I need to do to perform or get my dogs to perform. And that's the challenge that'll keep me coming back, supporting Grant Reeves and Doc Dogs, and getting my little peanuts here involved. We'll be back. We'll see you soon.